Hello ma'am, sir. Have a nice day. I am Novelin Damian, 44 years old, married, having 2 children. I work here in Hong Kong for 15 years in total with 4 employers. My skills are cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing clothes, uh, buying groceries sometimes, um, marketing. Uh, I also assist the kids in doing his homework, uh, accompanying him on his outside activities like swimming class, attending the jazz class, piano class, um, and so forth. Uh, I also play with him sometimes, uh, helping him to go to bath before sleep and reading storybooks. About my work, well, I prefer to work alone. And I preferred a job that is taking care of kids because I love kids so much. I didn't say that I don't like elderly, but if that's so, then I'm willing to take care of an elderly. About my other preferences, then you can check my profile on Helper's Choice app. That's all, ma'am, and God bless. Thank you.